And this is measure and transfer method, your example 2, and we've got two lines again. So when you carefully look at it, you have two lines here, and that's your top and then that's your front, and we need to draw our right side. Okay, do the same thing, your extension, your full line in between them, second full line perpendicular to the first. Okay, and then we draw our extension line from the end points of your front view, because we're drawing the right side view. Okay, and we're going to do the measure because you're in the measure and transfer method. So my first, okay, here is your very first full line here. Okay, sorry, full line here. So we're going to start with the first end. All right, first end is here, measure from the first end all the way to the full line, right? And here is my very first end, the same as that. Okay, I have my extension line crossing the first full line. Okay, and our right side projection is going to come somewhere around here. Yes, so from this full line I'm going to draw, see, because starting from the full line is going to end at the end point. So now starting from the full line is going to end to the end point on this right side projection plane. Yeah, so we have the same distance there. Second end point, your full line, measure the distance. Your second end point, you have your extension line crossing the full line. Okay, from full line you have to get this same measurement of A, so from here to here, and here is your cross sections. So that is going to be your two ends of this projection. All right, so you have this distance when it would have been projected onto this right side plane. Okay, so now we draw that line here, erase it. Okay, so now you have it, and that's your example 2.